Hey, good day, everybody. We are at the 24th of June, 2024. I am Connor with Honor. We have the Santa Clarita Open House Systems, SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And any city you want to see the current listings as far as open houses and active inventory and sold inventory, and a lot of real estate data as far as market goes by zip code, by area, by neighborhood, and more specifically by areas within neighborhoods or specific builder tracks. You'll find all that at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com, plus whichever other city you happen to live in, specifically in Santa Clarita. Follow that city name with openhouses.com and you get that current city and that information. Stevenson Ranch openhouses.com, for example, Valencia openhouses.com, and so on. All right, so here's going to be the last 7 days of activity. Currently in Santa Clarita Valley, we have 424 active real estate listings on the market. That's going to include all of single family residences, townhomes, and condominiums, everything residential. That is the current inventory. Coming soon inventory posted in the last 7 days, 15. New listings, 65, 62 price changes. 20 properties have gone back on market, actually having their escrows canceled, which is something to talk about. We do have 39 properties that have gone active under contract. 49 properties have gone pending. 101 properties closed this last week. That actually is a lot of closings. In fact, we have seen that number consistent over the past several days. We will keep an eye on it and find out if real estate is still moving that quickly in most of the cities. But there is enough additional inventory being added every day that is keeping the market floating very nicely for sellers and keeping that buyer market very competitive, which of course isn't enjoyable for anyone. Well, unless you really like that competition. But when we're talking about competing with people at $1 million or more, some people that's not a great fit. 7 expired, 4 canceled, 5 put on hold, 2 withdrawn. All right, so as far as the Santa Clarita Valley market goes, still in a seller's market. We are watching as the historical record is being changed daily. We still have those interest rates that are higher than people would like, but we still see people going out there and purchasing real estate. There's a lot of other factors besides interest rate to look at when it comes to buying houses. One of them is comfort. Where do you want to live? Do you want to live under somebody else's control? Or do you want to have your own residence that you're able to do a lot with, but it's going to depend on, well, the other overseer of typical neighborhood housing could be the city building and safety people if you want to do major modifications, or it could be the homeowners association that you happen to be a member of that will limit your ability to do other things. But still owning your own residence, even in a homeowners association community, it's a lot better than renting. Just food for thought. Think about it. All right, so looking at the local market, we're watching as the real estate headlines are talking about interest rates and the best ways to buy real estate. What it comes down to is just having that advisor, somebody that can walk you through the whole process and also specifically understands the local market. So it's one thing if you want to go to Beverly Hills and buy. It's going to depend on that area. Port Hueneme is another area that's interesting because they have different various city codes that are required by sellers when they're going to sell a property in Port Hueneme. The city of San Fernando also has the same thing. So if you are hiring an agent that isn't in those areas or hasn't done business in those areas, be wary because it could come down to things not being completed that are going to cause you as a seller a problem. I'm Connor with Honor. Have a great day. Check out our open house sites, and I do appreciate it. When you're ready for help, I'll be here. I am Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching my update. Over and out. I'm looking for the button. There it is.